Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare Kerala style beetroot fry. For this, first we have to prepare a masala. In a mixie jar, add 1 green chilli, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 cup of chopped coconut. Grind this coarsely and set it aside. Now add some oil in a pan. To this, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram, that is urud dal, and half a teaspoon of split chickpea, that is chana dal. Once the mustard starts popping, add 1/4 cup of chopped shallots and few curry leaves. If shallots is not available in your region, you can use onions. Saute this for a few minutes and then add 2 chopped beetroots. Saute this for 1 or 2 minutes. Add the required amount of salt. The beetroot should become soft, so let us add a cup of water and cook this properly. Cook this in a medium flame until the water gets completely evaporated. This is ready now. The beetroot has become tender. At this stage, add the coarsely grinded masala. The raw smell of the masala has to go off, so close this and cook for 2 minutes. So here the beetroot thoran of beetroot poriyal is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.